Old Alabama Gardener here. Today I'm talking about how to know when to pick your green beans. The question often comes up when we talk about growing and harvesting green beans is how do you know exactly when to pick them, in order to harvest them? Because if you harvest them too soon, then obviously you lose some of the green bean growth. And if you harvest them too late, they're going to be tough, big, and stringy. You can still eat them, but they're not going to be what you and I would call good quality green beans. Now, if you wait too late, even as much as one day, the green beans will be tough and stringy. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you, I'll be out there in the green bean patch, show you what it looks like when green beans are ready to pick. And I'll show you what it looks like when the green beans are getting past the point of being ready. Now, one of the most critical things that you can do in growing green beans is don't let the plants get dry. When the plants get dry, then the green beans themselves will get tough and stringy. They will not be good quality green beans. So now come along with me as we talk about green beans and how to know when they're ready to pick. So here's the green beans. Got two trellises here. Both of them are identical. Now let's look at some individual green beans, and we're going to take these two right here. Now both of these look about the same. They are good size. They've got good color or good marking on them, and both of them should snap really quite well. As I snap this bean, if you have your volume up, you should hear it snap. Notice as we look at the end of the green bean that the little bee inside is still very small. This is a good quality green bean. That's what you want. You want it to snap easy. You want the little green beans inside to be small. Now you watch. As I try to snap this green bean, it doesn't snap. All it does is bend over and actually collapse. Now I'm going to push hard on it and make it snap, but it did not snap easy. And as I go to separate it, you'll notice the little strings that's hanging on to it, and I'm pulling them down, and of course I will remove them. But this is not a top quality bean. This is almost too big. Now watch this string here as I pull on it. Now that is not what you want your green beans to be. They're going to be tough, they're going to be stringy. You can still eat them, but they're not top quality. All right, let's look at two more and then we'll finish. Now here, the one on the left, top quality green bean. It's going to snap good, not going to be stringy. The one on the right will be a different story. Although the one on the right does snap, it's got strings. And so that's what makes it not a top quality bean. Now you watch how easy this one here that I'm holding now snaps. It just goes snap, snap, snap. Now here's a green bean that was missed during the picking. It's easy to miss them. Let me get that leaf out of the way. So I'm going to pick it, and it's already too big. So we'll look at see how it acts. There it is right there. And there's another one right there. So we'll take this in here. All right, so here's our green bean. Notice how big the beans are in it by the way it's bulging out on the sides here. That's going to be a string down through there. So let's see if it'll snap, first of all. You watch it. See how much I can bend it and it's still not snapping? And it's still not snapping. Finally it snapped. So now there's a string holding it there. Not too bad, but it is stringy. It is true that green beans at this stage, that you can still eat them. They don't have quite as good a flavor, and they're certainly not what I consider to be a top quality green bean. If you canned it, it would probably separate, and you're going to have strings, as you see here. It's just too far. It's already too big.